In this video, how to add curtains transition effect to slides in PowerPoint. Then let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select round a rectangle, drag it, make size 19 cm and 3 cm. Drag the yellow dot to the right, then align center, align middle. Duplicate with Ctrl D and reduce the size of each one and set it like this. Select these three and drag them to the left using press Ctrl Shift. Select and group them and select Flip Horizontal from Rotate. Select Ungroup from Group, click on Merge Shape and select Union. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, press right button and send to back. Click on Merge Shape and select Subtract. Go to Insert and click on Picture. Here I have downloaded the picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Press right button and send to back. Go to Insert and click on Picture. Select it and insert it. And click on Remove Background. This will give a slightly 3D look. Click on Outside the slide. Click on Shape. Go to Format and select Color using the eyedropper from Shape field. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Transitions and select Curtain. Now click on the slideshow. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.